Good morning from Tokyo. It's 10 a.m. and I am about to buy my first MacBook Pro with the brand new M4 chip. I've been saving for this moment and I couldn't think of a better place to do it than the iconic Apple Store here in Marunouchi. Let's go! The Apple Store in Marunouchi is absolutely stunning. It's located in one of Tokyo's most sophisticated districts right next to Tokyo Station. The vibe here is just perfect for this big purchase. I was deciding between two great options, the 14-inch MacBook Pro M4 and the MacBook Air M3, available in 13 and 15 inches. Both had the same specs, 24GB of RAM and 512GB SSD, but there was price difference. This is it, the 14-inch MacBook Pro with the M4 Pro chip. It's powerful, compact and perfect for editing my videos on the go. Let's make it official. And it's mine. I can't wait to unbox this beauty, but first let's explore Marunouchi. Marunouchi is one of Tokyo's most stylish neighborhoods. Look at this blend of modern architecture and historical charm. This is Tokyo Station with its beautiful red brick facade. It's perfect place for a stroll. This area is so lovely yet peaceful. I plan to visit the Imperial Palace nearby, but unfortunately it's closed. First time here in this area. So nice, beautiful. Even though we can't go inside, I had to stop by the Imperial Palace. This is Niijubasha Bridge, one of the most iconic sites in Tokyo. The calm water and historic vibe here are worth the visit, even if the main palace is off limits. I'll definitely come back when it's open, but for now, let's find a spot to unbox my MacBook Pro. Alright, the moment we've all been waiting for, let's unbox my new MacBook Pro. I went with the Pro, and here's why. First, the display on the Pro is unbeatable for color accuracy and brightness, perfect for video editing and creative work. Second, the ports. The Pro's versatility with an HDMI port and SD card slot saves me from carrying extra adapters, which is a big plus. Third, performance. While the Air with the M3 is impressive, the M4 chip in the Pro offers even more power for demanding tasks. Plus, its cooling system ensures consistent performance under heavy workloads. I will stay in the light. Welcome to Mac. Oh, nice. Oh my god. It's so bright. So while the Air is lighter and more portable, the Pro's display, ports, power, and features made it the better choice for me. Here, everyone decides for themselves what tasks they are taking a MacBook for, and whether they are ready to pay an extra hundreds. In the end, the MacBook Air is amazing for many users. Which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments. Today has been such an incredible day. I got my first MacBook Pro, explored the amazing Marinati district, and even managed to visit the Imperial Palace ground, even it was just from the outside. This MacBook Pro is going to take my content creation to the next level, and I can't wait to share more adventures with you. Tokyo is full of surprises, and days like this remind me why I love exploring this city. Thank you for joining me on this exciting journey. If you've ever made a big tech purchase, you know how special it feels. Let me know in the comments what your dream gadget is. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Japan adventures. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!